एक बिगुदार para जवान आपका समझदार पर हजरत Cuman, lanjut kile, anu mati kile cahaya cuman. Sebentar, pakai.
My request to you would be to be kind to them always. You have to remember that our people from the villages sometimes don't know the procedure. They don't understand the different aspects of governance. It is you who has to teach them, who has to guide them, who has to make it possible so that the work and the service is given to them. So I really urge the block officials to remember this and give that necessary personal touch and care to all the people who come here to the block. Now that you have good office, now that you have sufficient space, I don't see any reason why you should get irritated or frustrated in any way. But as I said, having a good office, the purpose is to provide a good environment so that you can work nicely.
Iba and Sweet YouTube channel. Subscribe, like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1.
Sampai habis kenapa?
For you guys, like and subscribe. All of us. Yes. Yes. Different lang yung bablang ng kapwa. What's the problem?
Kilaban dia dia ini, kilaban dia dulu salah artias. Ini udah sans pa ml, tiga dua ratus kalau sih pa sans tiga. Ini untuk merah hai kuat kerja akan dapat lebih. Halo.